So you're interested in becoming a Talent Dynamics Flow consultant, and you should be. For us as coaches and line managers, we really want to make sure that our teams and our clients get the absolute best training that allows them to really increase their job satisfaction and get amazing results. That's what gives us job satisfaction. Most of the profiling tools that you'll be familiar with today and probably accredited to use, in fact, are really fantastic at improving levels of self-awareness, even helping you to get a great understanding around your leadership style. But that's where most of them stop. What they don't have are clear, practical strategies that can be implemented within the team, allowing the business to generate clear financial results. When you get accredited as a Flow consultant, you'll be able to conduct really powerful one-to-one personal debriefs using the Talent Dynamics Profile Test. You're going to find that each time you sit down and have an interaction with a client or a member of your team, that there's a way that you can actually help them to generate a financial result from each and every interaction. Becoming accredited as a Flow consultant enables you to work with your clients and your team, allowing them to get into this very, very productive, efficient and fun state called flow. So what's flow? Well, put simply, flow is the path of least resistance. When you're in flow, you're focusing on tasks and activities that you're naturally talented at, that you absolutely love to do. Think about that for a moment. When you're in flow, you're going to find that your productivity increases dramatically. You'll find that your attention to what you're doing improves dramatically. Your accuracy levels will really start to rise as well. It's so much easier when you're focused at those tasks that you love, that you're able to do really, really naturally. When a member of staff is in flow, you're going to find that because they're enjoying their job role so much more, you're going to find that their absence drops significantly. You're going to find that the turnover, people leaving the organization, reduces significantly because people love to work in an environment where they actually can be in flow for a prolonged period of time. As a Flow consultant, you're going to be able to access the profile test at a significantly reduced rate. You can retail the profile test at £50, but you're going to be able to wholesale access them for £30. So if you're a coach or trainer, well then you already are building in a significant margin into your business. If you're a line manager, that's a great saving if you're wanting to profile a lot of people in your business. As part of the accreditation training, we're going to teach you how to run very, very powerful and strategic one-to-one profile debriefs. This means you can actually sit down with someone in your team or one of your clients and help them to understand what is it that actually gets them into flow, what are the best roles and accountabilities they should be taking on, and what are some very practical strategies that they're going to want to implement. Is an ideal starting point if you're already a trainer or a coach or a consultant wanting to add a new tool to your kit bag, and if you're a line manager who just really wants to make a difference to your team and find a way that you can have them being more productive and more effective. For line managers, when you know the natural talents of your team, it really allows you to structure your team in a way that's much more effective and much more productive. Having the individuals in your team in flow is going to allow you to create amazing results, much bigger business results than you're probably creating right now. You're also going to find that when people are in flow, they're not going to be stressed. Actually, stress is the opposite of being in flow. When you're stressed, it's a good indicator that you're actually out of flow. And as you know, stress is one of the highest causes of workplace absence. Trainers and coaches, you know the first thing to get cut when budgets are tight is your training and coaching. When you have a tool that just by sitting with someone for an hour and going through what actually puts them in flow, giving them some practical strategies, that's something that's actually going to generate an ROI for your clients. That's something that's definitely going to be left on the agenda. So what do you get when you become a Flow consultant? Well, first of all, you're going to get the 2 days of accredited training with our master trainers, which means you get all the product knowledge, all the training you need. You're even going to get experience at actually running profile debriefs. So that's the 2-day training that we're going to do with you first of all. We're going to give you 10 profile tokens to get you started. That's a product value already of £500, which is going to allow you to get into flow very quickly and actually start working with clients or team members. We're also going to get your own admin area where you can monitor the profile tests, see the profile tests coming in, create team graphs for your clients, and manage the whole communication process for your clients or team yourself as well. We have an entire intranet with all the marketing materials that you're going to need. And also on top of that, there's the support, not just from TDHQ, but also the support from the community, the Talent Dynamics community of performance and flow consultants from around the world. So the Flow Consultant Workshop is ideal for a team leader who wants to improve the performance of their team and really wants to allow them to be much more productive and have a lot more fun in the workplace. It's ideal if you're a coach or a trainer or a consultant or an HR professional who wants to help your clients to get much more value and a much better ROI from your one-to-one interactions with them. We have workshops in the UK, in Australia, in Japan and South Africa already. So if you'd still like some more information to find out if being a flow consultant is right for you, click on the link here, contact a member of the team and we'll book you in for a free one-to-one and go through much more detail with you on the phone.